Oh, those burgers, they were absolutely delicious. Just delicious. The bread is done. Maria really wanted bread. She's like, Mom, we need to have some bread. And I said, well, you get all the ingredients into the bread machine. And then when I get home, because I was gone for a part of the afternoon, and I said, when I get home, then I will start the bread machine and we'll get it baked up. So, we have bread. And I get asked all the time the dimensions of these small pans. These are 7 3/8 by 3 5/8 by 2 1/4. Hopefully I can put that in a pinned comment down below for you guys as well, because I get asked all the time. And I have been searching for pans like this, and when I find exactly this size, I will let you know where I find them. As I package up the bread here, I like to put 2 loaves in one of these bags together. I am going to store 2 of these in the refrigerator just to keep them as fresh as possible. And then these 2 will just get stored out on the counter. Where did my twist tie go? I had it. I would like to let you know that I am planning and drafting and writing up a bread baking masterclass. If you are interested in that, please go to the description box. I'll see if I can remember to pin it in the comment as well, in the comment section. But I will have a link for you. It'll be to sign up specifically for the bread baking portion of the newsletter. So as you know, about once a week, sometimes only once every 3 weeks, I put out just a little newsletter, a little email, just kind of, if there's something going on that I want to share with you, or just something that I want to share with you, I end up putting it into an email. And in that email is where you're going to find information for the bread baking. So even if you're already signed up for the emails, please go and use this link, because this will be specific to getting information for the bread baking masterclass that, like I said, I am planning and dreaming and writing down all kinds of things and things I want to make sure that I cover in it and things like that. So still not 100% sure how I'm going to work the whole thing, but just to be on the safe side, so that you wouldn't want to miss a video, and that's where I talk about signing up and all that kind of thing. So check the link, and then you'll just add in your email address. That way you'll be able to get the updates that are specific to the bread baking masterclass. She isn't even scared of us. Maria and I are having a girls' night tonight. Look at that deer. She's just hanging out. Oh, she sees us for sure.
I think she's seen us the whole time, and she knows we're here. Just she's looking at us now.
Yeah. Well, here's one of the things that we always do when we are having a girls' night. The guys, they all went to the races tonight. We check to see where we want to go using the Upside app. So tonight, La Taqueria.
My favorite restaurant. They always have it on here, so we always go.
So we just claimed it. Then when we get in there, I just need to snap a picture of the receipt, and it uploads here, and you can see here that I've accumulated $47.39 in cash back. And so then when you want to cash that out, you can put in your bank account, or you can have it given to you like on an Amazon gift card, or there's tons and tons of different things. So anyway, that's what we're gonna do. Alright, let's get our receipt here. Continue. Submit receipt. Uploading receipt. Okay, very good. Cashback is on its way, Maria.
It looks so good.
It does look good. We got chicken tacos. And I went with the whole variety. There's a fish taco in there, a shrimp taco, and then El Pastor. I think I'm saying that right. Looks so good.
Chips and cheese sauce.
Well, we're only a parking lot away from Marshall's. I said to Maria, we can go to Marshall's. She's like, no, we don't really need anything. We were just there.
Well, if you want to go, let's go.
I'm trying to talk you into wanting to go so I can feel like you're the one
Then let's go.
who's making us go.
Let's go.
You think we should go? But we also want to get home.
Yeah, I mean, what time is it?
I don't know. I gotta turn on the car.
Do you want to watch a movie?
Do you want to watch a movie? It's 6:13.
That air is hot.
Yeah, the air is hot. What do you think, Maria?
I don't know.
Do we go
If we
for just
go
like
to
15 minutes?
It won't be that short. If we go to Marshall's, just like really, just kind of look around. We don't really need anything, but if we see anything cool,
Okay.
you know, then we have to go to IGA. Will
Yes.
we have enough time?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So let's do it.
All right. Marshall's
Going.
it is. Yeah. I am sitting here waiting for Maria to try some things on, and I just look over and I see what I have been looking for probably 2 years. I mean, I forget, I'm sure I could order it online. It's not something I'm not looking like every single day, let me just say that. But anyway, I look over and there they are, a 70 pack of these little toothbrushes, because sometimes the kids forget to brush their teeth and we're on our way somewhere and I'm like, oh, I remember them. I remember these used to be available in like 3 packs years ago, but this is amazing, a 70 pack. Those are going in the cart. Well, we actually made it out of Marshall's. Now I am coming into, or I'm already in IGA, because I'm doing their weekly coupons. They always have this like little mailer here. Anyway, and I'm doing the coupons because every single one of them is a really great price this week. You can get up to, I think 4 or 5 of these, $1 for 5 pounds of russet potatoes. I'm gonna put that one back and get a different one. But I do have some at home, so I think we're gonna stick with just 2. I got the ham for $4.99 a pound. That's the off-the-bone ham. Normally it's like $8.99 or $9.99 a pound. And the chicken breasts. I'm also going to do the pork chop deal. It's buy one, get one free. What movie are we watching, Maria? The Perfect Man. We're going to settle in, and we have YouTube Premium, and so there's...
You can get movies on regular
free movies.
YouTube too.
Oh, can you? Without YouTube
and they're
Premium?
free.
Okay.
You just need to watch ads.
Watch, I see. So there's free movies no matter what, but with YouTube Premium, there's no ads. So anyway, The Perfect Man, Maria just watched it the other day with her friend, but she was like,
really
it's
good.
so good, we gotta watch it, Mom. So, all right, here we go. Hilary Duff, Heather Locklear, and Chris Noth, is that what that says? Star in this heartwarming comedy about a teen girl determined to find the perfect man for her single mom, even if she, what do you think it's gonna say after that? Even if she has to make that man up. Okay, let's see. All right, that's going to be it. That was just a couple days in our life here, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you so much for being here. YouTube has been very, very different lately. I just want to say thank you so much for seeking out to watch my videos, because YouTube is a different place than it used to be, and I'm hearing from so many people again that they're getting unsubscribed. They just thought maybe I had given up doing YouTube or something because they hadn't seen any of my videos. And I don't really know what the reasoning is for that. I don't know why YouTube decides to show certain subscribers, you know, let them know that a channel has a new video and others, they don't put it on their home feed. I don't know. I just don't know about that. But anyway, thank you for seeking out and finding my video and watching. I do really, really appreciate each and every one of you. All right, we'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye for now.